All right, week 9, Monday, correct these sentences. Number 1 and 2 are asking you to correct these sentences. Number 1 reads, "Who's that there boy over there?" And number 2 reads, "After the hen lies her eggs, she sets on them." So number 1, I am going to ask for Emma to come on up here and do our corrections for number 1. Now, is it asking a question? Great. So we know that type of sentence is an interrogative sentence. It's not a declarative. It isn't a making a statement, and it doesn't end in a period. She went ahead and just said, she capitalized, of course, the beginning of the sentence, "Who is that boy over there?" Question mark. That is correct, but for the purposes of this sentence, they wanted you to know that this word whose is not the correct whose you would use in that sentence. So you would take who and his, make it a contraction. So if I'm making it a contraction, Emma, what would I need to do? Yes, you would just make it capital W-H-O apostrophe S. Who's that boy over there? She took out this word there, corrected the possessive form of there, and made it the place. And then with a question mark. Good job, baby. Good job. Did you use hand sanitizer? Okay. Right, number 2. After the hen lies her eggs, she sets on them. All right. Bryson, come on up here and give us all the corrections necessary in number 2. You should be taking notes, corrections. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah. All right, thank you, Bryson. All right, so after the hen lies her eggs, lays her eggs. So let's make that correction. After she lays, it's past tense. After is letting me know it's past tense, so lies is a present tense. So after she lays her eggs, there is no apostrophe S there, it's just plural, because she lays more than one egg, comma, she sat? Remember, it's past tense. So what does she do? She sits on them, period. Very good. Declarative sentence. You're telling me what she does. Very good. Write a word that would belong in this group. Lakes, rivers, oceans, ponds, brook.
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls. That's beautiful. Jonah, what about you?
The same thing.
Okay, waterfalls. What about where I'm from, in New Orleans? We have bayous. I spelled that wrong. I still spelled that wrong. Bayous, yes.
Seas.
Seas, that's good. That is right. Okay, seas, go.
Canals.
Canals. Where I'm from, we have a lot of canals. Canals. Last comment.
Swamps.
Swamps. Excellent. Swamps. So if you said any form of a water mass, an area that contains water, you're right. One student said in another class, he said swimming pool. Oh, I'm like, no, we're talking about natural water places.
I just thought of one.
What?
Geyser. Or it has water in it.
A what?
Geyser.
Oh, okay, that would work. Let's look at this one. What is personified in the following sentence? which they're talking about figurative language, personification, where you give human-like qualities to something that isn't human. We're going to do this as a class. Let's read the sentence as a class together, please. I want to hear everyone. Here we go. The books on my shelf whispered secrets as I tried to go to sleep. Guys, what's being personified?
The
Books. Just the books.
The book.
That's what's being personified. The books. Because we know books don't whisper, right? So if you're taking notes, you would say personified and books. Okay? Books. Last question here says, circle the word that is not spelled correctly. Well, I don't want you to circle it. I just want you to cross it out. And then I want you to give me the correct spelling. Can you handle it? Come on up, Katie. I don't think this one is that hard today. Mm-mm. So we have orchestra, ordinary, dictionary, and stare. All right, ordinary. That is the one that is spelled incorrectly. The correct spelling is ordinary. That's it. You got it. Please make your notations, your corrections, and that is all for our daily language on Monday, week 9. Good job, everybody.